13 cinder block DIYs to try around your home. For less than $30, you can make this bench that uses a combination of cinder blocks and wood. You could easily expand this bench to make it longer if you'd like. Finishing ideas include painting the bench, adding molding, and making some cushions to fit the seats. Just because you're using cinder blocks doesn't mean that you have to keep them inside. This DIY uses cinder blocks to create a base for a table or desk. The inside of the cinder blocks even provides some storage for whatever you might need. This cinder block planter is built from the ground up, creating a vertical place for your plants to hang out and flourish. The blocks are held securely together with glue and metal sheeting. Any holes in the blocks that are showing can be used to show off your plants or flowers. This also could make a cute container garden for your veggies. With this cinder block DIY, you can create a ton of outdoor seating with just this single project as well as some new planters. After the bench is created, you can take single cinder blocks to create new homes for your plants. Lumber and cinder blocks are used to build this two-shelf potting bench that would work just perfectly in a yard or garden. As a finishing touch, rustic hooks are added to the shelf that serves as a place to dry herbs. This cinder block DIY is for a unique planter wall. It not only provides a place for plants and succulents to thrive, it also serves as a privacy wall. The cinder blocks are placed at interesting angles, some serve as planters and others as candle holders. Everything is painted a deep gray, which really makes the plants pop. This project uses cinder blocks to create a grill station. The cinder blocks are neatly stacked and then topped with pavers and painted for a more put-together look. This cinder block DIY takes you through each step of building these shelves that create the perfect place to show off your plants and flowers. Only 4 cinder blocks are used along with a few pieces of wood to form the shelves. You could even use this as a potting bench if you'd like. It's a great height to stand at and pot or repot your plants. Build your own outdoor bar or grill prep space with this DIY from playdates to parties. Cinder blocks and a few pallets are used to create the body of the grill, and corrugated steel roofing and some boards are used to finish up the project. Everything you need is included in this plan, from a materials and tools list to step-by-step building instructions. Here's another plan for a cinder block bench. This project creates a modern-looking yet rustic version that would look great in a garden or yard. A dozen cinder blocks are used as well as some 4x4 pieces of wood to act as the slats. Another way you can use cinder blocks in your yard is to build a raised garden bed. This is a super simple project that has you just stack some cinder blocks into a square. Fill the inside with dirt and plant your vegetables or flowers. Cinder blocks can also be used to build an inexpensive fire pit. Similar to the raised garden bed, the cinder blocks are simply arranged in a square shape, then a fire can be built within it. Time to break out the s'mores. Here, a cinder block is reused as a vase for flowers. Whether you're making a vase or a planter, these cinder blocks work great for it. You can choose to paint the outside of the block to make it more interesting. In this example, the outside was sectioned off with some painter's tape to create a cool color block look. You could use any colors or designs you like to create something that would go best with your home or yard. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.